ready.
Baby, what you wishing for? Maybe you should wish it more.
Hi guys, this is Bhavna Kumar and welcome back to my channel. So I tried something like a curl thing to my hair, but doesn't look that great, doesn't look that professional. But anyways, today I'm gonna give you like 10 self-portrait ideas that you can try. These ideas I have curated are very simple and effortless and very easy to try out. Trust me, you're gonna love these ideas, and when you will try, you'll find it very easy and gonna look very nice. So let's start into the video. So the first idea is sleeves. What you can do is, if you have a top or a dress which has like ruffle sleeves or long sleeves or any type of ruffle sleeves, you can actually play with it and click some really cool pictures. Just wave around your hand and the ruffles will automatically go around, and when you click pictures with that, it's gonna look really nice and very pretty. The pictures are gonna come very pretty. So the next idea, use a scarf or bandana or a handkerchief and tie it over your head and click some pictures. What you can do is tie the handkerchief or bandana over your head, and what you can do is take out some hair from here and then pose. It's gonna look really nice. These hair are going to give a shape to your face, and it's also gonna give a little style to your self-portrait. The third idea is using the sky. What you can do is, you can try different pose like touching the sky or using the sky as the background. If you're not comfortable with posing or you don't know much posing, what you can do is just use the sky as your background and just stand still like that, and trust me, the sky as a background is gonna give your photo a really nice effect or a really nice look. The next idea is a flower. Just a single flower will also look very good. Just take a flower, put it on your head and you can pose. If you don't have a flower, it's okay. What you can do is, you get clips which has tiny flowers on it, like plastic flowers or any type of flowers. I have this comb like thing or just a hair clip which has two flowers. What I do is, I simply place it on my hair like this, and it instantly creates a really cute look, and it also acts like a prop to your self-portrait. So you don't have to put a lot of effort for your self-portrait, because a little effort you put and this prop will combine and get you a really good picture. The next idea is using a mirror. What you can do is place the mirror on the tree, but be careful. Place the mirror on the tree and start posing. Or if you don't have a backyard or a tree, what you can do is simply place the mirror on the plant or near the plant and take pictures. You don't need to have like big mirror. You can also use a small mirror, keep it and then click some really good pictures. The pictures are gonna come really nice. The mirror and the green leaves, the green thing of the plant is gonna come really cute. Also be careful while placing the mirror on the tree, because I tried this, it came out really nice, but once I tried a little too much and the mirror actually fell down. Luckily it didn't break, but yes, be careful, don't be too extreme like me. But yeah, the next idea is small clips. Now this has a very huge story. So when I was small, my mom used to dress up me and my sister used to have long and wavy hair. So she always used to use these small clips on her hair, and I always used to tell her to use it on my hair, and it used to look so nice. But she never tried it on my hair. I'm not complaining, but my hair is very straight. Whatever you put on my hair, like any clip, it's gonna slip off easily, and plus my hair was very short, so she could never actually put those clips on me. So when I thought of this idea, I badly wanted to use these clips in some self-portrait and make a way where I can keep it on my hair without it falling down. Plus I didn't have those clips because it's such a 90s thing, I feel, those clips. So I literally went to T Nagar. T Nagar is a place in Chennai. So I went to every little or small stores and I showed them the picture, like, can you find this clip? Do you have this clip? I went to 3 shops but couldn't find. Then I had a last option and I went there and I told them, do you have these clips, like small ones? And then they had, so I got them. I don't know if you can see, I'm gonna bring them closer and show you. So these are the clips. I don't know if you can see them, but I'm gonna give you a closer look as well. They also had it in like apple shape and also in heart shape. So every packet had different price. The heart and the apple one were for 5 rupees each packet and the other one were for 10 rupees, and I bought so much and I literally created a nice hairstyle, clipped it on my hair, and I really love how the hairstyle came out and the picture. Just these simple clips can make your picture look so pretty and so different. The next idea is lying down pose. I feel that lying down pose works well. Even when you take a picture like this, doesn't work well, but when you take a picture lying down and click a self-portrait, it looks so better than this one. Always try to give lying down pose or click pictures by just lying down, and it's gonna come out so nice and so pretty. I feel it works very well. The next idea is a very nice idea and a trendy idea. What you can do is use stones, the craft stones, the small blingy stones, and place it on your eye and click some really good pictures. You can place it any way, either fill your eyelids with those stones, or you can just place it like a curved line on your eyelids, and it's gonna come out really nice. It's gonna make your eye look very pretty and your face look very pretty, and the self-portrait is gonna come very pretty. If you don't have these craft stones, what you can do is you can use bindis, the stone bindis that come. Moving on to the next idea is currently the look I am wearing. Currently the eye look I have done, it is using different eye colors, like different eyeshadow for your eyelids. So on one eye I have the blue color, and on the other eye I have the purple eyeshadow. I'm gonna come a little closer to show you guys. So that is how it looks. What I have done is put in a blue eyeshadow and then a purple eyeshadow, and to make it look a little extra I have done a long eyeliner. Just putting different colors on your eyes can make your self-portrait look really nice and can look a little different. So you can actually try, instead of going with just the same colors, the normal color or the nude color eyeshadows, what you can do is go for different colors, funky colors, different colors. What you can do is either use yellow or orange or yellow or red, or you can use the same family colors like different shades of blue, two types of green. You can do that way. I'm telling you, don't even feel like, oh, if I try this it's not gonna come nice, oh, it's gonna look very bad, oh, it looks nice on her but when I try it's gonna look very bad. Trust me, it's not like that. When you try, it's gonna look nice. Sometimes I put on the makeup and I'm standing in front of the mirror and thinking this is not gonna work, and when I click pictures it comes out so nice. So yeah, don't give up so easily. So the last idea is plain background. So there have been situations with me, or some of you are feeling it as well. Sometimes I stress a lot about or think a lot about what my background should be for the self-portrait, and sometimes when I feel the background is nice and in the picture it doesn't look that attractive or it doesn't match my self-portrait, in that situation what you can do is simply opt for like plain background. If you have like plain background or plain wall near you, like any sort of color, just stand in front of it or sit in front of it and click self-portrait. Like what I do is I take bed sheets, white bed sheets or black bed sheets or any color bed sheet, and place it behind me and sit in front of it and click some really good pictures. In that way I don't have to stress a lot on my background. Or if you're bad at choosing colors, what you can do is go for white background, that's the best, or you can go for black. So either you can go for white or black, or if you're confident you can use different colors. If you don't have these bed sheets, what you can do is use different chart colors. Like you can buy blue chart paper, you can buy pink chart paper, it's gonna come out really nice. Whew. So those were my 10 self-portrait ideas or self-photography ideas that you can try, and I'm very sure it was helpful for you guys because I had to think a lot to make it easy for you. It would be really helpful for me if you guys support and share this video with your friends. So these were the 10 easy, quick, effortless self-portrait ideas that you can try. If you guys like this video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. If you guys try any of these ideas, make sure to tag me or send in the picture so that I can give you a shout out in my next video. And thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.